Zulunation family? This is an old video. Stop hitting me up. Ain't no puppies. This was before I moved to the new house, before the 1.5 acre, the cages, and now really doing it officially. This is before we moved. It's just I was working a lot, trying to get to where I need to get to, so I never had a chance to put them out. And I don't feel well, forgive me. But this is an old video. Juju having a puppy, C-section, all that. Like, once again, I say, we are a dog family, trying to show you how it is to be just a regular family, doing dogs, going to work, doing the regular stuff. You know what I'm saying? If you vibe with us, hit the like, the subscribe, the notification button. And if you don't, still hit the like, subscribe, the notification button. And always remember, it's Zulunation, baby. Let's go to the car.
So today, Juju has a C-section. We're gonna cut. I can't say it. We're gonna cut open her belly and like take out like the baby or something. Like, are we gonna take that car? The big truck one? No, we don't have the keys. Oh yeah. It's so big. It's not so big. That's
Oh.
I think Kylie's big is gonna be thick.
Kylie's. Hey, open the car, come on. In there?
No, this.
In the trash? Why'd you bring it? Put the box down, go put it in the trash.
I asked if I could put it in there.
Good evening and thanks so much for joining. How are you doing? God bless you and your family. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share. Share the stream. Happy new month to you and your family. God bless you all.
Put her bags in the trunk.
God protect you.
Whose bags?
Your mom's bags in the trunk.
Blessing of God follow you all in Jesus' name. Many days of the year 2021 will be a day of joy to you.
Alright, take the bags to the trunk.
God bless you. Thank you so much everybody for joining tonight.
Yeah, I have to do this, Dad.
Get the bags.
Share.
Nico! She heard me.
Here, I'm gonna use the keys.
Everyone's kitchen. Welcome to African TV. Thanks so much for joining. God bless you and you're welcome here. God bless you all. Please share the stream. Share. Let our page come in. Share the stream. Let's grow tonight. It's African New TV live. Today's go. Oh, my lawyer is in the building. Thank God. Today is a happy day. Our lawyer is in the building.
I put this back in
Senior
the
advocate of African New TV. God bless you and thanks so much.
Wait, I'm gonna put it in the car.
How you doing? Senior advocate is here, guys. Our lawyer is in the building. Please, if you don't want us to charge you to call, just obey the rules and regulations of the stream. God bless you, our lawyer.
Go, Juju.
Hit the like button for African New TV also. If you know you have not yet done so, hit the like button. Juju TV.
Fix her, dude.
Juju TV.
What? Huh? No, go close the garage. That's what I was telling you. Juju.
So we're not.
Juju.
Like Nico.
Juju. You ready? Let's reverse. No, it's not.
We got her and she oh yeah. Remember when we got her? From Mexico? Yeah, Mexico. New Mexico.
Put on your seatbelt. Put on your
I
seatbelt.
can't go to the party.
So, we had 2 batches of puppies, 12, 13 days apart, right? You hear them in the back. I'm not gonna put them on here. I'm gonna put them on when we get to the house and, you know, set them up. But it's so weird now that I've got this breeding going. I'm wondering where am I gonna be in like a year, or like, you know, wherever I'm going, because this all started as like me just putting my dogs, and then I got the response. I like, you know, doing what I'm doing. I'm enjoying the YouTube. So we got the copyright, we got now the ads going, we got everything just flowing. And Megan's also got the Zulunation cakes thing going. She's making her intro. Everything's just flowing well, and I told you, wait till you see what I'm doing. Give it 5 months. It's gonna be good. But the puppies are out. They're healthy. As you can hear them in the background, they're complaining because they want to be with mom, but mom is tired. We're gonna go ahead to the house and put them in, and then let them breastfeed, and then, you know, enjoy it. If you're interested in some, just hit me up. I'll see which ones I want to let go, which ones I want to keep, what I really want to do. But the mission's still the same. Nothing's changed. It's just growth from here, you know. And like I said, this is me and your journey. So wherever I end up is where you end up, you know what I mean? And shout out to, you know, everybody who showed us support, all the subscribers, those who leave comments and the little things, you know. Shout out to Mark. He was the first person to put the deposit on a female. I don't even know what I have. I don't know if they're boys or females. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I just got things done. I got to go back to work. Like I told you guys, we're just on this grind right now, you know, and trying to get to wear your mask. You know, COVID's crazy out here. Put on, take your vaccine if you're for it. I'm not gonna tell somebody not to or not, but I always try to push, you know, what I think sometimes. But yeah, we out here. She had 6 puppies, so now I know Thanos is a 5'6" guy. I don't trust him. You know what I mean? But they're compact. We'll see. I'm gonna give them a week and a half, and then I'm gonna see how, you know, how bigger they get and how they look. But I like their dome. I like everything about them. But who doesn't like their own creation? You know what I'm saying? Who's to tell me my dogs ain't good enough, or am I to tell you your dogs ain't good enough? But I'm gonna tell you this was a good breeding. I'm looking forward. I don't know if I'm gonna keep anything. If I do, though, I don't know if I should take a female or a male, but it's all females most of the time. So, you know, because I got Thor now as one of my studs. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's Zulunation, baby.
No.
Yeah.
Shut up, Kali. See how they're not eating? She's making it difficult, huh? I'm just being honest. Retarded. Oh. What? Hmm?
No, stop. Stop.
She's pushing them off on purpose? Me? I'm just recording. Should we put them on Kali? Huh? There you go.
Halala sanbongela, halala sanbongela we. Halala.